Rasgulla, Malai Chomchom, Sandesh, Rajbhog, Kalo Jam. These names always tickle the taste buds and make one drool. Identified as the land of sweet lovers, the state of West Bengal in the eastern part of India is home to these delightful delicacies. In the second half of the 19th century, the state was going through its golden era, be it in the sector of art and literature or in the sector of exploration and innovation. This spirit also reached the area of confections and sweets. In 1868, Nobin Chandra Das created a legend, small balls of chena or cottage cheese boiled in a sugar syrup, and christened it Rasgulla, or quite literally, a ball of juice. Nobin Chandra left his legacy and invention in the hands of his son Krishna Charan Das, who further expanded the business with the same spirit of exploration. He created the perennial favourite, the Rasmalai, and opened the first shop, Krishna Chandra Das Confectioner, better known as K.C. Das. He also introduced the canned Rasgulla, the first and only canned dessert manufactured in the country at the time. His son, Sharat Chandra, further expanded the business and opened several shops in the pivotal regions of Kolkata. The shops created new records as they introduced uniformed employees and a westernized service to customers, as well as replacing the traditional leaf packaging with cardboard boxes. Today, the K.C. Das factory spreads over a large area with more than 100 workers. Every process is carried out in an organized manner in this factory. Huge tanks with taps pour milk into a huge vessel, strained through muslin cloth, where a solution is kept mixed in water. The milk then curdles to form chena or cottage cheese. The muslin cloth is then squeezed to drain the excess water out of the chena. As soon as the chena dries, it is put into a machine out of which the chena comes in uniform sizes. A separate machine molds and shapes the small pieces of chena into perfectly round balls. A person stands at the end of the machine holding a tray and collecting these perfectly shaped balls. The balls are then dropped into a huge vessel of hot sugar syrup, in which they are allowed to boil for a specific amount of time till they soak in all the sugar syrup and become soft. This is now the legendary Rasgulla of K.C. Das. Workers then put these cooled Rasgullas into clean and sterilized cans along with some of the sugar syrup. Every step and procedure in the factory is carried out in an organized manner with great attention to cleanliness and proper hygiene. Thus is born the perfect K.C. Das Rasgulla to go.